Go. Go. You were just sticking it out so far. Let me see your tongue. You're trying to get it. Stick your tongue out, baby. You stick it out so far. You did good job. You go, look at mommy. Caleb, go. Good job, babes. I love you. Here's your Girls Dig Me shirt. Say bye.